I just got my new 16-inch MacBook Pro laptop, and I was trying to find a case on Amazon, and I was having trouble finding some because it's so new, but I finally found one that fits a 16-inch. So let me unpack it and then try it on. So it came with these Velcro cable ties, as you see right here. Okay, and then it came with this little bag. Nothing really much to it. Pretty empty, has a little zipper, not that big. And then finally the case. So I got it in black. I just wanted something very basic, not too loud. Feels pretty sturdy, has some weight to it. One thing is that they say that it's waterproof, so we're gonna try that in a second. We're just gonna pour some water in it, see how it goes. Has a little flap. Okay, let me try it on with my computer now. So here's the computer. Then has a tight fit. I'm gonna have to use my body a little bit. Once it gets broken in, I'm sure it'll be fine after, but it's pretty tight right now. Definitely going to need a little bit of pressure. Okay, there it goes. Tight, feels secure. Not enough, a lot of room to budge. Okay, we got that. We'll do the water test in a second. So with that, I have the little pouch, which is great when I go to coffee shops or to the library. I can stick a few items in there. So let's see. I've got my little dust cloth to clean the screen. I've got my little connector so I can add my USB or an SD card or a micro SD card into the computer. And then I have a wireless mouse as well. So I'll just stick that in the pouch. Still has enough room to put maybe your car keys or a possibly a cell phone if your cell phone's a little bit shorter. And yeah, you could stick some other items in there if you wanted. So let's move on now and let's do the water test. Yes, it is quite tight. So. Okay. Yep. No water on it. Not a drop of water, which is great. And then it seems to just come right off. I just need to dry it and looks like it's fine. And then let's try the pouch, shall we? Same material, doesn't seem to do much to it. Dries right off. Okay, so let me just clean up this water. So this is it coming off the pouch. Probably let it air dry, but seems to dry pretty fast. Yep, nothing's affected, not wet inside at all. Nope, no signs of wet spots. And then, let me see. A little air dry, it'll be back to normal. Okay, well that's all. If you guys want to ask me any questions in the comments, I'll link it. I'll link the product. I'll link the product down below, and then if you guys want to ask me questions regarding it or how I liked it so far, just ask me in the comments and I'll get back to you.